Hello everyone, and welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. Today, we will learn how to delete a wallpaper on your iPhone. If you have old wallpapers that you no longer use, you can easily remove them from your wallpaper collection. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Wallpaper. Here, you will see your current wallpaper setup. If you simply want to replace the wallpaper with a different image, tap on Customize and then tap on the Photos icon in the bottom left corner. From there, choose a new photo from your library and set it as your wallpaper. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. Another option is to tap Add New Wallpaper and create a completely new wallpaper setup. You don't necessarily need to delete your existing wallpaper before adding a new one. However, if you want to completely delete a wallpaper set, including both the lock screen and home screen wallpaper, you'll need to do it from the lock screen instead of the Settings app. First, lock your iPhone. Then, press and hold on the lock screen until the wallpaper gallery appears. Here, you'll see all of your saved wallpaper sets. Swipe left or right until you find the wallpaper you want to remove. Then, swipe up on that wallpaper and a trash can icon will appear. Tap on the trash can icon and confirm the deletion. This will completely remove that wallpaper set from your iPhone. You can repeat these steps for any other wallpapers that you no longer want to keep. That's it. You have successfully learned how to delete a wallpaper on your iPhone. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.